out here at the pit bike track today. I'm on a Suron. It's been a minute since I rode an e-bike. These Surons, like, they low-key get it. They're nothing crazy, but they're pretty fun. I keep reaching for a foot brake. I just got off the TTR. It feels weird. I don't feel too comfortable on it. Woo. Oh yeah. I'll do it on the TTR. They got the ramp up. I just don't want to hit it on a bike that's not mine. Fuck. Crash and die or something. Woo. Oh fuck. Almost went down. Oh man. Oh. All right. We're hopping on the TTR. I like the gas bikes. Okay, I'll hit the ramp now. But I'm doing it on the steed.
Literally like second gear, like barely moving.
Okay.
He's gotta move it. But he wants you to hit it first before he leaves.
She don't start. Maybe I might be hitting it on the Suron. Uh-oh. There we go. Poor bike. Woo! Yo, that thing boots you. Yo, that thing boots. Woo! Oh my God! Wow! Getting sketchy. That's so fun. On the Suron. Gotta chase him down. I didn't even see you move the back. Yo, pit bikes, man, it's where it's at. That is crazy.
I'm gonna pull back a little more.
Okay.
It's easy, right?
Yeah.
I told you.
Okay. Third gear right there. gotta take off.
Do you?
Yeah. Oh my God. The whole bike bottoms out right on that lip.
All going on.
Yo.
Yeah.
Did you know he was right there?
I saw him like coming up and I'm like, now I have to. I'm gonna kill the dude.
I was hoping I wasn't gonna catch that back tire.
Oh my God. Send that to me. What happened?
Oh,
Oh!
She come with fire. That's how we like it.
I was wondering if it was a mental thing or if it felt a little wobbly coming
It
up.
looks a little bigger.
Oh my God, control. I was not really into the fence. Feel like I can goon while doing wheelies.